Yes, you clicked on the right video. Here are 10 healthcare careers that pay six figures without becoming a doctor. I'm not going to waste your time, so let's jump straight into it. Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist. So, Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetists, also known as CRNAs, are among the highest paid healthcare professionals who are not physicians. They are responsible for providing anesthesia care before, during, and after medical procedures, including surgeries. So this is how much they make. $200,000 to $250,000 per year. That equals approximately to $550 to $685 per day before taxes. And this is how your path is going to look like. First, you need to complete a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing, 4 years, become a registered nurse, then gain critical care experience, 1 to 3 years, completing a doctoral nurse anesthesia program around 3 years, and then you need to pass their certification exams. So a typical day includes reviewing your patient's medical history, creating anesthesia plans, administrating anesthesia, monitoring vital signs during surgery, and working closely with surgeons and healthcare teams. So here is the job satisfaction for people who work there. The job satisfaction is often high because CRNAs combine excellent income, advanced medical skills, independence, and the ability to directly impact patient care. However, this career comes with serious responsibilities because patients' lives depend on your decision, on CRNA's decisions. You'll enjoy this career if you like science, if you like technology, if you like working under pressure, if you like having a high level of responsibility, and if you like having a lot of money. Next up, dentist. So coming in at number 2 is dentist. Dentistry is one of the highest paying healthcare careers outside of becoming a physician. Dentists specialize in diagnosing, preventing, and treating problems related to oral health, including cavities, gum disease, and tooth damage. So many dentists also have the opportunity to open their own private practice, which can significantly increase their earning potential. So the salary is around $150,000 to $250,000 per year. That equals approximately to $410 to $685 per day before taxes. And the time to become a dentist is around 8 years. The path includes completing a bachelor's degree with science prerequisites, 4 years, attending dental school, 4 years, and completing licensing exams. So a typical day includes examining patients, performing procedures like fillings of crowns, creating treatment plans, diagnosing oral health problems, and educating patients about dental care. And the job satisfaction is often high because dentists usually have predictable schedules, strong earning potentials, independence, and the ability to build long-term relationships with patients. So you'll enjoy this career if you like healthcare, if you like working with your hands, if you like precision, problem solving, and having control over your work environment. Next up, we have physician assistants, so PAs. So physician assistants are healthcare professionals who work alongside physicians to diagnose and treat patients. And they can perform many of the same tasks as doctors, including examining patients, ordering tests, prescribing medications, assisting with procedures, and creating treatment plans. The salary, $120,000 to $170,000 per year. That is equivalent to $330 to $465 per day before taxes. And the time to become a physician assistant is around 6 to 7 years. So the typical path includes completing a bachelor's degree, 4 years, gaining healthcare experience depending on program requirements. Then you need to complete a physician assistant master's program, 2 to 3 years, and then passing the licensing exams. Now, a typical day includes seeing patients, diagnosing conditions, reviewing medical histories, ordering laboratory tests, prescribing medications, and collaborating with doctors. Many physicians' assistants report high career satisfaction because they get to practice medicine, help patients, and have a shorter education path compared to doctors and still make a lot of money. So you like this career if you want a medical role, if you enjoy problem solving, if you want direct patient interaction without becoming a doctor. Next up, we have nurse practitioner, NP. So nurse practitioners are advanced practice nurses who provide many healthcare services, including diagnosing illnesses, prescribing medications, and managing chronic conditions. They can specialize in areas like family medicine, pediatrics, mental health, emergency care, and women's health. So the salary is $120,000 to $160,000 per year. That equals to around $330 to $440 a day before taxes. And the time to become a nurse practitioner is around 6 to 8 years. So the typical path includes completing a bachelor's of science in nursing, 4 years, becoming a registered nurse, then gaining nursing experience and completing a nurse practitioner program, a graduation program that is 2 to 4 years. So a typical day includes diagnosing patients, prescribing medication, managing chronic illnesses, providing preventative care, and educating patients about their health. And many nurses enjoy the career because they build, again, meaningful relationships with patients while having more independence than many healthcare professionals. You'll enjoy this career if you love helping people, if you love communication, if you love science, and making a direct impact on someone's health. Pharmacist. So pharmacists are medication experts who play a major role in patients' healthcare. They make sure that medications are used safely, correctly, and effectively. They work with patients, they work with doctors and healthcare teams to prevent harmful drug interactions and improve treatment outcomes. So the salary is $120,000 to $160,000 per year, and that equates to $330 to $440 per day before taxes. And to become a pharmacist takes around 6 to 8 years. This is what your path will look like: completing an undergrad pharmacy prerequisites, 2 to 4 years, completing a doctor of pharmacy program, 4 years, and passing the licensing exams. A typical day includes reviewing prescriptions, checking medication safety, advising patients, explaining side effects, and communicating with healthcare providers. Job satisfaction is often mixed here, though. Many pharmacists enjoy using their medical knowledge and helping patients, but some experience stress due to workload demand. So take that into consideration. However, if you choose this path, you'll enjoy this career if you like science, if you like chemistry, if you like healthcare, attention to detail, and solving problems. Next up, medical and health services manager. So unlike many careers on this list, the role focuses less on directly treating patients and more on managing healthcare organizations. So healthcare managers help hospitals, they help clinics, they help healthcare departments run efficiently. And the salary is $110,000 to $160,000 per year. That equals to around $300 to $440 per day before taxes. And the time to become a healthcare manager is around 4 to 6 years. The typical path includes 1, completing a bachelor's degree in healthcare administration, business, or related field for 4 years, then gaining healthcare or management experience. That's it. So a typical day includes managing teams, improving healthcare processes, analyzing operations, managing budgets, and ensuring quality standards are maintained. So the job satisfaction is often high for people who enjoy leadership and making large-scale improvements in healthcare. You like this career a lot if you enjoy organization, if you enjoy business, if you enjoy leadership and solving complex problems behind the scenes. Next up, we have physical therapist. So physical therapists help people recover movement, strength, and independence after surgeries, injuries, or medical conditions. So they work with athletes, they work with accident survivors, older adults, and patients recovering from serious health conditions. The salary starts at $95,000 and it goes up to $130,000 plus per year. That equals to around $260 to $355 per day before taxes. And the time to become a physical therapist is around 7 years. The typical path includes completing a bachelor's degree, 4 years, completing a doctor of physical therapy program, 3 years, and passing licensing exams. So a typical day includes evaluating patients, creating exercise programs, performing therapy sessions, and tracking recovery programs. Recovery progress. So many physical therapists report high job satisfaction because they get to see patients improve and regain independence. So you'll enjoy this career if you like science, if you like fitness, movement, and motivating people. Occupational therapist. So occupational therapists help people regain the ability to perform everyday activities after injuries, illnesses, or disabilities. So their goal is to help patients become as independent as possible in their daily lives. The salary is $90,000 to $120,000 plus. That equals to $245 to $330 per day before taxes. And the time to become an occupational therapist is around 6 years. The typical path includes completing a bachelor's degree, 4 years, completing a master's degree in occupational therapy, 2 years, and licensing requirements. A typical day includes evaluating patients, creating treatment plans, teaching recovery techniques, and helping people develop skills needed for daily activities. Many occupational therapists love their careers because they see the direct impact they have on people's independence and quality of life. And you will absolutely enjoy this career if you like psychology, if you like creativity, if you like problem solving and meaningful one-on-one relationships. Radiation therapist. So, radiation therapists use advanced technology to help treat cancer patients by delivering radiation treatments under the guidance of oncology teams. So this career combines medicine, technology, and patient care. The salary is $90,000 to $120,000 per year. That equals approximately $245 to $330 per day before taxes. And the time to become a radiation therapist is around 2 to 4 years. The typical path includes completing an accredited radiation therapy program, completing clinical training, and obtaining certification. That's all. A typical day includes preparing patients for treatment, operating radiation equipment, following safety procedures, and working with doctors and medical teams. So many radiation therapists find their work incredibly meaningful because they support patients during cancer treatment. You'll enjoy this career if you like technology, science, precision, and helping people through challenging situations. And last but certainly not least, speech language pathologist. So speech language pathologists help children and adults improve communication, speech language, and swallowing abilities. So they work with patients affected by developmental delays, injuries, strokes, and medical conditions. The salary starts at $80,000 and it goes up to $120,000 plus per year. That is approximately $220 to $330 per day before taxes. And the time to become a speech language pathologist is around 6 years, and the typical path includes completing a bachelor's degree, 4 years, completing a master's degree in speech language pathology, 2 years, and completing the certification requirements. So a typical day includes assessing communication challenges, creating therapy plans, leading therapy sessions, and tracking patients' progress. Many professionals love this career because they develop strong relationships with patients and get to watch people improve over time. And you'll enjoy this career if you are patient, if you are compassionate, and you genuinely enjoy helping people reach their important goals. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it valuable, please consider liking the video, commenting, and subscribing for more videos on careers that will help you build wealth.